This dance is called Just Caballero. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, absolute beginner level line dance. So we're starting off on our right foot, so we're going to move the right foot first into a slow chasse travelling to the right. So we're going to step the right foot to the right side, step the left beside the right, step the right to the right side, and touch the left beside the right. Now there's no weight on that touch step, I'm just literally resting my foot on the ground next to the right foot. That basically means I can now move off on that left foot for the next step that I need to take. So we're going to add on some side touches. So we'll step the left foot to the side, touch the right beside the left. So again, touch step, there is no weight on that right foot. So I'm going to now step the right to the side and touch the left beside the right. So that's a slow chasse with some side touches added on the end. So let's just do that set of steps once more. Right foot leading into that slow chasse. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. I'm now going to do exactly the same set of steps, but going to the left. So it's effectively the mirror image. So we're going to step the left foot to the side, because there's no weight on that, with a touch. Step the right beside the left, step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. So again, no weight on that right foot. Add on those side touches, starting with the right this time. So we step the right to the side, touch that left beside the right, no weight on that left. So I step the left to the side, and I touch the right beside the left. So let's just do that little set of steps, that slow chasse travelling to the left. Starting with your left foot. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. So that's halfway through the dance. Let's put those two sections together. So starting off on our right foot, chasse slowly to the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Now we're going into a rocking chair. Now with a rocking chair, it's 2 rock steps. So I'm going to physically move my right foot forward and rock onto it. And then going to recover my weight back onto the left. So that's our forward rock, which is half of the rocking chair. I now need to do a back rock, so I'm moving my right foot back, rocking back onto it, and recovering my weight onto the left. So you just have to imagine you're in a rocking chair. Your left foot is the central point of that rocking chair, and you're just rocking forwards and backwards. But your right foot, for a right-footed rocking chair, has to move from the front to the back, so it physically moves. So rock forward, rock back, that is your rocking chair. We're now going to put on a step, pivot, a quarter. So we're going to make a bit of a turn. So we step forward on the right. You're going to put the weight on your toes as you turn yourself a quarter of a turn to the left. The weight goes back onto the centre foot. So as my right foot is the one that moved, the weight has to return onto the opposite foot. So I've now got the weight on the left. Step the right beside the left, step the left foot in place. So just do that pivot once more. So you step forward on that right, weight on the toes, turn yourself, quarter turn left, put the weight back on that inner foot. Step right beside left, left beside right. So add that onto the rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward on the right, rock back on the right, making a rocking chair, put that step pivot on the end. Here we go, off on that right, 7, 8, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, step, pivot, close, close. So your feet are together at the end. Just do that once more. So normally with the words, I will chant out rocking chair. So you have to remember when I say rocking chair, you are rocking forward and rocking back. Try it once more off on the right. 7, 8, rock forward, rock back, step, pivot, close, close. Let's add that onto the top part. So we're going to do our slow chasses with our step touches and then add that little set of steps on. Off on the right foot then, travelling to the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. So hopefully you managed to get that rocking chair in. Forward rock, back rock equals a rocking chair. Now to finish the dance, we're going to do that last set of steps once more. So exactly the same, rocking chair off on that right foot. So we're going to rock forward, recover the weight on the left, step it back, so you rock back onto the right, recover your weight back on that left, step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn, weight goes back on that inner foot, which is the left foot, right beside left, left beside right. Do that one set of steps once more then. Face a different direction, it always feels like a different set of steps. Off on the right, into that rocking chair. 7, 8, forward, rock, back, rock, step, pivot, close, close. Once more. Off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. It's the end of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Slow chasse off to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. So once you've done all of those steps, you've completed the dance, and you just have to keep doing them over and over again till you get to the end of the piece of music. So this is a 2-wall dance. As you see, we've ended up facing the back wall, which means we do exactly the same set of steps and get back to the front. So we'll do the back wall, we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls actually join together. And I'll speed it up just a little bit when we get back to the front wall. Off on the right then, into that slow chasse. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. So that is your dance. And your walk through. So all that's left is to give it a go to a bit of music. It is a long track, so you'll get plenty of practice with doing those steps. Here we go. Side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Rocking chair, step, pivot, close, close. Side, close, side, touch. And to the left. Rocking chair, pivot, rocking chair, pivot, chasse, side touches, chasse, side touches, rocking chair, step pivot, rocking chair, step pivot, side close, side touches, chasse, side touch, rocking chair, pivot, rocking chair, pivot, chasse, side touch, chasse, side touch, rocking chair, pivot, rocking chair, pivot.
Ma mi è rimasta dentro il cuore la voglia di tornare per ritrovare quell'amore che aspetta
manage that one.